everybody, I'm Elise Wang and I was commissioned to paint this Tyranid. It came in pieces and I had to figure it out with the manual provided as it had different poses and I had to be careful which part it was before using acrylic cement. I also had to clean it up, prime it, paint it, and base it. In the past, I have painted infantry or a tank, but not a detailed piece that requires assembly. The client also wanted it to be magnetized, so that was a first for me. I am happy with how it ended up looking. The client wanted the color scheme to look as per the box, and I think I achieved that look. 3 pairs of limbs are magnetized to switch between different weapons and stats. Even the wings are magnetized, and that was the trickiest part. I never painted an alien before and I liked how the skin tone came out. I really like how the base turned out as well. The textured effects of the eggs came out as I envisioned. I used a tutorial by Eons of Battle. I'll put a link down below in the video description. The blend of colors look quite natural and the color scheme pulled it all together. I love how the red makes it pop too.